He's so good.
All right.
Woo.
Uh-oh.
I want Sophie. There you go.
All right, warm up.
All right.
You got it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, you're nudging it off there. Swing it. Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah. Oh. Mimi and I are having a hard time getting.
Torturing little kids. Huh? Is that what we're doing? That's
Like that.
Bish.
You were doing
You're doing so good.
right when Mama got the camera.
Now you're back to.
Oh no.
Oh, Lucas.
Lucas.
Hit it. That's right. That's right. Yeah, you get the other ball.
Yes.
Oh, baseball.
Lucas, swing.
No, don't touch it off. Lucas. Lucas. Come here.
Mimi's gonna show you. Boom! Yeah! That went far. All right, swing it. Go for it. No. Swing it. Yeah. No. All right. All right. No. Mimi's gonna come teach
I'm
you.
gonna show you again. It's gonna be bad. Move.
I think that's our last lesson for the night.
Or you hate baseball? Huh? You don't want to hit it?
Oh, that was closer. That was almost what you were doing before. Smack it. Yeah.
Right, hit it.
You are so bad. Oh my gosh.